Hello everyone, I am Tina Mathur. I have completed my masters in English literature and now I am a solopreneur. Initially, it seems like people were earning money through Facebook, but you might be curious to know how exactly they do it. Well, let me tell you. Step 1. Create a dedicated Facebook page that aligns with your business. Step 2. Set up campaigns and ad sets using Facebook advertising tools. Define your target audience, budget, and objectives for each campaigns. Ensure that your ad copy is compelling, engaging, and persuasive, capturing the audience of your right target audience. Step 3. Continuously optimize your campaign based on their performance. Step 4. Leverage Facebook's ad revenue options. Utilize features like ad breaks to monetize your videos with stream ads, generating incomes based on the views and engagement they receive. Step 5. Stay consistent and provide value to your audience. Regularly engage with them through compelling posts, meaningful conversations, and prompt responses. Build a loyal community that supports your effort. By following these steps and staying dedicated, you can utilize the potential of Facebook and turn your page into a profitable source of income. And follow Quibus trainings. Thank you.